adenomyosis. So what happens in this condition is the uterus has three linings, right? So the innermost lining of the uterus is known as the endometrium, and the middle one is known as the myometrium, that is the muscular wall of the uterus. So in adenomyosis, what happens is this endometrium starts growing onto the muscular wall, that is the myometrium, and it keeps on growing and thickening the muscular wall more and more. And so the uterus appears enlarged and bulky. Okay, and what are the symptoms that this condition adenomyosis can cause is, you can experience that bloated and the fullness in your lower abdominal area, which can later cause lower back pain, also heavy and painful menstrual bleeding, irregular menses, bleeding with clots most of the times, painful intercourse, and if not treated well in time can also lead to miscarriages, infertility, anemia due to the heavy blood loss, fatigue, low energy levels, etc. And there's a chakra known as the Swadhisthana chakra, which is situated at the level of our tailbone, where our urinary and the reproductive organs lie. So the function of this chakra is to make you feel that love for yourself, accept the way you are, and don't be self-judgmental and critical of how the society views you, but how you perceive yourself to be. And homeopathy offers a holistic and an individualistic approach in the treatment of adenomyosis. Along with homeopathy, yoga, meditation, breathing exercise, pursuing your hobbies will help you recover in a beautiful way and a holistic manner from this condition.